So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, if you already signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, you didn't know anybody, or you didn't watch our videos, and if you already signed up for Uber, maybe you just signed up, or maybe you signed up a while ago and you never did use a referral code, you can still get your bonus. You can still get your referral bonus. I know a lot of people don't know that, or when I tell them, they're like, wow, then I had no idea. And right now, guys, because of everything that's going on, it is better time than ever to sign up or to apply the referral code. It literally is 8 steps. The instructions are down below. It's super easy. We don't need any of your info. You just apply our info. Again, it's super easy. This is the Rideshare Hub. Take advantage of this. It could be $1,000, could be $1,500. It might only be $100, but still, I could use that money right now, and I'm sure you can too. So go ahead. It's the sign up bonus for Uber. The instructions are down below. It's super easy, super simple. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan, and thank you so much for coming by. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. And I mean, this channel is definitely geared for the gig economy. Obviously it's called the Rideshare Hub. So what do you think about rideshare? You think about Uber and Lyft. So why are we talking about Instacart today? Well, there's a lot going on in the world, and trust me, I'm sure you've heard a lot about it. And you know, I'm not a medical professional, so I'm not here to provide advice, medical advice or health care advice. What I am here to do is talk about how we as Uber and Lyft drivers, or as food delivery drivers, as gig workers, and as entrepreneurs, because I know a lot of you guys are working on your businesses as well, can adapt to the current change in the economy. Everything is changing a lot. People aren't going to work right now, so there's really no rides to give, because when people don't need to go to work, everyone's working at home, there's no rides to give. At least in my state, we're on a statewide lockdown. I would be curious to hear what state you're in and what the current lockdown procedures are in your town as well. Or if you are still going out and doing Uber and Lyft, I would love to hear that as well. So, but at least here in the United States, it's pretty down. Earnings are down. I've heard some people are still doing Uber and Lyft. So even in New York City, some people are still doing Uber and Lyft. And Chris from Real Rideshare Stories, he just told me the other day that he's still going out and doing Uber. Not sure if I was supposed to say that because that was a text message, but whatever. Whatever, now you guys know. Tea is spilled, guys. Oh my gosh, drama, hashtag drama. You guys stir up so much drama in this whole rideshare community. But anyways, today I'm talking about Instacart. Instacart and a lot of other companies too are hiring tons of new drivers. Why? Because a lot of people are ordering food, and a lot of people are ordering food for the very first time. So there's a lot of new customers to Uber Eats, to DoorDash, what are the other ones? Postmates, Grubhub, and are those all of them? Those are the main ones. Uber Eats, Postmates, DoorDash, and Grubhub. Those apps, those food delivery apps are booming right now. And not only those apps, but Instacart, guys, I heard that Instacart orders are up 10x. So that's 1,000% more than it is usually. Why? Because people don't want to go out and shop, because people want to stay inside. I myself, I don't even want to go to the grocery store. So this is definitely something, like, it's good, but so if you really need money, and you know, I definitely recommend wearing gloves, because the thing is, this is what I do know because I did read a recent study, is that material, it lasts different on different materials. So on plastic and stainless steel, I believe it can last up to 3 days, and then on cardboard it can last up to 24 hours. So with that being said, I highly recommend wearing gloves when you're doing Instacart, because you're going to be handling plastic all day. So if you really need money right now, and you know, you're just thinking, well, you know, I'm gonna get it anyway, and eventually, and whatever, you just need money. I mean, I would say go out and do Instacart. The grocery stores are pretty much you know, that they're stocked again. At the beginning, I think a week ago, I said, oh, do not do Instacart. The grocery stores are fully out of stock. Well, you know, everyone went out and got their month supply, 2 month supply. Don't get me wrong, the grocery stores are still crowded, but you're not gonna be waiting in hour-long lines anymore. That was just absolutely ridiculous. That was like last week. So anyways, let's get into the article now. By the way, guys, I will leave a code down below. For whatever reason, my Instacart is getting so many new drivers that I had to ask for a specific code because the link wasn't working. So when you go ahead and sign up, use this code, and then you'll get a bonus after you do, like, I don't know, 50 deliveries or 25 deliveries or 100 deliveries. I think it's 25 right now. It's like they want to just get shoppers signed up. You'll be called a shopper. I think I do have my Instacart card in here somewhere. Because I am a shopper as well. I have gone out. Let me see if I can't find it. I even had a little with a lanyard too. I've gone out and done Instacart. I made $24 per hour. Me and Elias, you guys might have seen the videos. One of our videos got like 10,000 views. You can watch it if you want. We literally vlogged the whole thing. Like, a couple places said, oh, stop filming, stop filming. Like, we filmed inside the stores and we filmed how much money we made, like the whole process. So if you want to check it out before you sign up, maybe I'll leave a link down below too. Just type in like Instacart Rideshare Hub on YouTube and you'll see it. It's a picture with me and another guy who looks like me. He's Puerto Rican. His name's Elias. We have a good time together. We're not hanging out right now because, you know, social distancing, but yeah, anyways, here we go. I'm gonna sync up my phone here and you guys can follow along with the announcement. Here we go. Instacart is these are my notes for this video. Instacart is looking to hire 300,000 shoppers immediately. So I'm gonna tap it in 1, 2, 3. Here we go. This is on NASDAQ.com, guys. This is big. Instacart to add 300,000 gig workers in hiring. I can't say that word because I don't want to get demonetized, but here we go. March 23rd. This was yesterday. Instacart said on Monday it plans to hire 300,000 gig workers over the next 3 months. So guys, most places, just to talk about the economy is going to be down for maybe, I would say, a year. You know, driving Uber and Lyft, earnings are going to be down for the next year. Like, you're gonna have so many new Uber and Lyft drivers and you're gonna have people not taking that many rides because social distancing is gonna be a thing for like a year. Pretty much, in my opinion. I mean, at least, people might start going back to work earlier, but at the same time, people are not gonna be taking as many rides just because you're gonna have a large percentage of people who, you know, are elderly or who are high risk that they're just not going to want to go out and about. They're going to adjust their lifestyle for a year. So this is good for the next 3 months. More than doubling it, and maybe you'll get really good at grocery delivering. Like, I was doing it with my buddy Elias, and at the beginning, like, we were doing it pretty slow, but after a while, maybe you can find a friend to do it with. Like, we tag teamed it and we went like hard. Like, we were splitting up. Like, I took half the order, he took half the order. You guys will see in that vlog we made. But like, we were going through these things fast. And then what we also learned to do to like save time is that as I would be parking, like, I would pull up and drop Elias off and right in front of the store, and then while I found parking, he would already be shopping and he would finish like half the order by the time I parked and got in, and then we would split up the next half. So like, we came up with little tricks, and then as he was checking out, I would go pull the car up and bring the car up. So like, literally we didn't even have to walk to the car. So like, if you have somebody, you can do it fast. Anyways, here we go. As demands for grocery store service force people to shop from home. Yeah, the hiring is huge compared to those announced by major retailers. Amazon said last week it would hire 100,000 warehouse and delivery workers in the United States to deal with the surge in online orders. Walmart said it would hire more than 150,000 hourly workers. Instacart said orders volumes had risen over 150% in the last few weeks as it infected 35,000 people, blah, blah, blah. Has forced states to impose lockdowns and fueled stockpiling of bread, milk, toilet paper, hand sanitizer, and other household items. The San Francisco-based company, which currently has 200,000 shoppers, plans on doing most of the hiring in California and New York. So if you're in Cali or New York, you know, this is where you go. But also, I mean, you can sign up anywhere. The hiring spree comes as scores of Americans are laid off or furloughed as companies, especially in the services sectors, grapple with the effects of restrictions on travel. Economists polled by Reuters estimate figures of US jobless claims, to balloon to 750,000. Yeah, so almost 1 million people are out of work right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you want a job right now, if you're struggling to find work, there are options out there, and I'm gonna be dedicating this channel now to provide new solutions on ways that drivers can, you know, get through this time. Instacart is a great way to do it. Again, if you wanna go in and shop with a mask on and gloves, I mean, the mask is mostly to remind you not to touch your face. The gloves will protect you from, you know, touching things with your hands, and you know, use hand sanitizer. I don't know, only put things in your trunk. Only use your trunk for things. Spray your trunk down. I don't know. Do whatever you have to do to stay safe. But again, guys, it's a great solution. That's what I recommend. If you are looking for a new job right now, Instacart is a great way to do that. 300,000 workers in the next 3 months. So yeah, you'll definitely have a lot of, you will not, like, I can open up my shopper app right now. I am still recording. Yeah, let me go into my shopper app. This is what it looks like, by the way, guys. And there's just endless orders. Like, before, when Elias and I did it, we did have to wait for orders. Well, no batches available now, but, well, again, as soon as I did, I just checked like 5 minutes ago, and it was like, well, not 5 minutes ago, but like before I filmed this video, and it was like 6 orders. Yeah, but anyways. I don't know. Oh, here's my invite code too, by the way, guys. It's DHemrick2114D. I'll have that in the description down below as well. Yeah, but anyway, there's usually endless batches. I don't know why there's no batches right now. Maybe because it's like 2 p.m. I don't know. I think they come in the morning, so maybe try to do it in the morning or at night. But anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I'll talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Bye.